This is Jeff Killian for the Inside Technician and the Maverick Live Trading Laboratory. We are running through a real-time trade taken by our smart money trading methodology, 7:36 a.m., 10/15/2013 on the S&P E-mini futures. Here reviewing a 1-minute chart. Volume has just been identified here. Over 1,600 contracts within the previous 1-minute bar. The current bar is up at around 400 area. Needed to get through an original level here at 1705.50. That was dropped down when prices penetrated, but didn't continue to close through that area for a new level here to get down and through at 1705.25, which has now happened. We have a floor level, current floor level established here at 1703.25. You're viewing a real-time trade in process live. The Maverick Live Trading Laboratory, open January 2014. Price profit target established at about this point. The preferred area to be in this trade would have been at about the 1705 number on a short. 15-minute indicators had a good setup. EMAs had already crossed. Check and money flow is now turning down with a trend line violation in process, which is what we were waiting for. However, we did have the confirmation coming from the MFI on a trend line vial before the trade was ever taken. MACD crossed. We still have room to go to the downside from a previous session 3 days ago. Clear on SMI. We are now managing the trade to the downside. We have administrators in the room, Justin and Chi from overseas, who will be in part managing this room on their watch. Why don't you say hello to all subscribers today, guys?
Hi everyone. This is
Hi everyone. This is Justin from Australia. Welcome.
How we've been doing for the past week and 2 days now that we are going through real-time trades every day, fellas?
Excellent.
Very good.
Last week was very good. In excess of 4 points gained for the week. Very good trade taken last night, a long trade, which was by myself, profit of 3 points, and yeah, all positive signs at the moment.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, same here. Overall, gained over 4 points in the last week. So yeah, everything's good. All good.
Mm-hmm. And we did have a long trade yesterday, right? Right after the market opened.
That's correct.
Yeah.
What did we pick up on that one, Justin?
I actually picked up 3.25 points on that. Got out on a rally on a probe. Was happy to lock in the profit, and I think after that price was traded back down and sideways for a short while before taking off to the long side, but I was happy to lock in that profit, and that did me for the day.
Myself as well. I demonstrated that trade on the nightly market intelligence report just last night. Continuing to the downside, mark to the market 1704.50, managing the trade to the downside. Let's take a look at the indicators. I'd like to see some more movement to the downside on shaken, more volume coming in. In fact, a complete dump to make the case for getting down to the 1703.25, a lower level on a price profit target based on a 15-minute chart. Again, the preferred area to be in this trade would have been in the 1705 neighborhood. Scalpers will really appreciate this methodology, having a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio calculated long before the trade is ever taken. We have many price profit targets to the downside. What we have identified is one of them, and a preferred area to be in with a stop set at an approximated point or point and a quarter to the upside with a price profit target based on 3 points or greater. Here we have some more volume coming in for 1,061 contracts right here real quick. And getting us to those targets in a timely manner. Scalpers will like this methodology because if they know that they can get 3 points on a longer term price profit target, why shouldn't they be able to get a half or 3/4 in a fraction of that time frame? This is what I was looking for. More confirmation out of shaken money flow. We do have 3 minutes and 7 seconds left within this 15-minute bar for this to complete its formation on that chart. Here we have it. We're just about there. There we have it. 1703.25 could be a potential out for a quick profit. 1703.50. Beautiful move. The move that was called by our methodology this morning was at 1705 for the yen. Potential out was right here at 1703.50, which I had laid out ahead of time. And then again, if those of you who want a longer term hold time, we're obviously looking at 1703.25 and then below that area in order to take the move. And here we are moving down again. More volume at 23.54. Time is 7:43 a.m. Managing S&P 500 E-mini real-time trade. We'll get into the actual annotations of the in and out. Jeff Killian, Chief Market Strategist for the Inside Technician, and the Maverick Live Trading Laboratory, demonstrating one more profitable trade taken by our smart money trading methodology. This methodology didn't just come along. This was designed now almost 20 years ago by myself, and hasn't changed much through the years. We have administrators in the room who will be managing different sessions. Possible shakeout to the bottom right here. Holding at 1703.50. Holding at 1703.50. Holding 1703.50. For that level, price is trading at 1703.75. That could be it. Now, for those of you who are scalpers, you surely would have been out here. Prices are starting to move back up, but this was the identified price profit target, and there was plenty of time to get out there, and that's what our methodology called in, out, for a quick profit. How did you guys make out over there, boys?
Very good, point and a half.
Yeah. I picked up 0.75.
Justin, what'd you pick up?
1.5 in at 1705 and out at 1703.50.
1705 in. Okay.
Yes.
1705 is my in. Let's get that noted in. And there we have it. Now, if prices do move down, we'll take this and flip it out here. We're really looking at an area which is around the 1701.75 as laid out by this bar, people. 1701.75, yes, the open of the 15-minute bar that was established 15 hours on 10/14. Because we have very little, if no, resistance from this point all the way down to there. So that would be the additional play that should be taken to stay in this trade. There's a lot of room to go on these indicators. Things just started to get cranked up as we came through, and so this is why I am still in this trade, looking to get at 1701.75, possibly 1701.50 on a rally. And if prices turn right back around, I'll be out of this as fast as I got in order to book what I've waited so long to come across the table at. 1702.75 mark to the market. What was the price on the target, G? 1701?
1701.5, I think.
1701.75 or 1701.50? $1701.75.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it for me. 1703.25 filled out. 1703.25 confirmed at 748. There are possibilities that prices will continue to trade down, however, after not getting to 1701.75 and a level in between where I had just stated there was very little resistance to the downside to get to 1701.75. The decision was made to get out of the trade. It is highly possible prices will continue to trade down, but I would rather have locked in a profit than dealing with an unknown at that particular 1 minute bar. Again, out 1703.25, 30 contracts. If prices continue to trade down, it will only prove out more validity behind the smart money trading methodology. Let's get this wrapped up here, and we'll close out this recording for the room. Yeah, prices are moving down. Good. Right here. Okay, we'll get rid of this. $17.05. Copy that at 1.75. Confirming. Justin, can you run that?
1.75.
We had 1705 from 1703.25.
Confirm 1.75.
Okay. So we know somebody else is running the numbers here. $50 for every full point move. It's $87.50 gain per contract. Times 30 contracts traded.
$2,625. 2625.
Yep, I have the same 2625. Okay, so that's the roll-up for the trade. And actually, as it turned out, it wasn't a bad call at all to get out at that level because prices did form a shakeout and now have traded up, actually above the level that I had gotten out at, up to 1703 mark to the market right now. This is Jeff Killian, Chief Market Strategist for the Inside Technician, with all the administrators in the room. Adrian Bickham from Canada. We have Chief from the Asia region. We have Justin from Australia. We'll see you inside the new Live Trading Lab, January 2014.